Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn some Danish phrases that you can use while going out. Let's get started. The weather is fantastic. Wel er fantastisk. I love nature. Jeg elsker naturen. Do you want to join? Vil du være med? Let's go for a walk. Lad os gå en tur. What a nice park. Sikke en flot park. It's sunny. Der er solskin. It's warm. Det er varmt. It's cloudy. Det er skyet. It's windy. Det blæser. It's cold. Det er koldt. It's snowing. Det sner. What a lovely park. Sikke en dejlig park. Excuse me. Undskyld. Can you take a photo of me? Kan du tage et billede af mig? Thank you. Tak. That's cool. Det er fedt. Watch out. Pas på. Go straight. Gå lige. Turn around. Vend om. Keep going straight. Bliv ved med at gå lige. Take a right. Drej til højre. Take a left. Drej til venstre. Stop here. Stop her. Let's take a break. Lad os holde en pause. Wait a moment. Vent et øjeblik. Follow me. Det er mig. Be careful. Vær forsigtig. The weather is perfect. Vejret er perfekt. I have been here only once. Jeg har kun været her en gang. I often come here. Jeg kommer ofte her. I have never been here. Jeg har aldrig været her. Would you like to come here? Vil du gerne komme her? Have you been here before? Har du været her før? Look at the birds. Se på fuglerne. The air is fresh here. Luften er frisk her. The water looks clean. Vandet ser rent ud. There are a lot of trees. Der er mange træer. Which way should we go? Hvilken vej skal vi gå? Let's walk a little further. Lad os gå længere. Let's go this way. Lad os gå den her vej. We should head home soon. Vi skal snart hjem. It's getting dark. Det bliver mørkt. Are you tired? Er du træt? Shall we go back now? Skal vi gå tilbage nu? Walk carefully. Gå forsigtigt. Watch out for the cars. Pas på bilerne. See you soon. Vi ses snart. See you next time. Your turn. Write it in the comments below. If you found my video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.